Hola, peoperinos.
What's happening?
Hi.
I don't know where this stuff comes from. It just kind of comes out sometimes.
From your brain.
There's a brain in there.
You said it, not me. Hi, guys, and welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Cherry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie is in there playing, but I apologize for this halo that's going on behind us.
The sun is out behind us, shining right through the blinds.
Yeah. This time change, we're still kind of dealing with it. First of all, we've got some really good responses on our live streams. That is so awesome. In particular, I've gotten a lot of positive feedback on my little makeup tutorials. I actually had a request from our friend Lori with Mermaid Jedi Adventures to do a Tiana inspired eye look.
Interesting.
So I may do that this weekend, or we may do like a like our top 5.
We need to do a top 5 because we haven't done a top 5.
We haven't done a top 5 in a while. Maybe a top 5 character meet and
greets.
And
if you decide to do the tutorial, that'll be on your own.
I'm aware of that. I still think you would look hot with guy liner, but you know. But anyway, as I was saying, a top 5. Let's say top 5 character meet and greet at
That's what we've been talking
Magic
about.
Kingdom.
Yep, top 5.
I don't think we're gonna do one for Animal Kingdom because they're taking all of them away. There's gonna be no more Flick. And
Louie and
Baloo are going away. Really? Those were my 3 favorites.
And then, well, we saw Jiminy Cricket out at Phoebe's Planet Watch.
But he's not usually there though. Doc McStuffins and
I hear there's a place to meet Pocahontas.
Yeah, that's in the park.
Yeah.
But they're taking away all of it.
I love Louie and Baloo. That was a great movie.
I love them, and you know, if you're of a certain age, like we grew up watching a Jungle Book.
Yeah,
you know,
and, Jungle Book
not the live action Jungle Book.
The original
animated
feature.
But that's not why we're here. Why are we here?
We have mail.
What's
in the box? That was just for you, Big Sis Lisa.
From It's Joey's Well.
Yes.
Yes, we have a box from our friends at Mickey's Mystery Box.
What's in the box?
So if you've never seen one of these videos before, we do a monthly unboxing for Mickey's Mystery Box. We are not sponsored. I pay for this on my own dime. And what it is a monthly subscription box that I get, and the items come directly from the park.
And this is the Spoonful of Sugar box?
This is the Spoonful of Sugar box. This is the smallest box you can get. You can get a medium-sized box, and you can get the large box as well.
It's $25 and change for the box plus shipping.
It's $29.99, and with shipping, it's around $40.
$40, okay.
But you get an incredible value out of it, and they also have like one-off boxes if you want to, try your hand to see if you don't want like a monthly commitment and you want to see what they offer. You can get like a one-off box and then maybe decide from there. And they try to tailor to your likes. You tell them the things that you like, and
they hook you up. We've never been
disappointed.
We've never been disappointed with the box.
It's been a little over a year since we started getting this box,
and sometimes we've been overwhelmingly surprised.
Yes, so
let's see what's in the box.
Let's unbox the magic.
Oh, I see.
Well, okay, go ahead.
I see the blue packing confetti, as is tradition. Beam family tradition. Disney Beam tradition.
That's right. So right off the bat, right at the top of the box, we get a Mickey sticker. Who doesn't love Mickey stickers?
And these are the stickers you get at the park because we've
and there's
got
no tail, so it's rare.
Yeah. So we got.
If you've ever been to the parks and got a sticker, you know that's a joke.
So I see something already.
Oh, what's this? Okay, so this is. Oh, what is it? It's a Magic Bandits. So
so those stick to the Magic Bands.
What are they from?
Well,
I don't recognize them.
I don't either, but they pop onto the Magic Bands, but it's grape soda.
A dude with like a tooth missing and a guy with glasses.
They're characters of some sort.
So if you know what these characters are...
Isn't this guy from Up?
Maybe it is Up. But no, that's not Up. And that's definitely not...
I don't know, but he's
Russell.
Snaggletooth.
Yeah, so if you can look at these and tell me what these
those
are.
are.
Maybe they're from Wreck-It Ralph.
Maybe they are Wreck-It Ralph. We're not familiar.
I've not watched Wreck-It Ralph, although Josie's Jazz Dance is from Wreck-It Ralph.
Cool. Maybe that's what it is.
So, but yeah, it's a magical bandits, and it does not have a price point on this, but
they hook to your magic bands.
And you got 3 of them. So if anyone knows who these characters are, please let us know.
I bet you it's Wreck-It Ralph since we don't know who they
are. Probably. And I saw soda, and I know there's like a candy thing of some sort. So what is this?
What we got over here?
Oh,
look at that!
Is that
we got
Is that a cookie?
That is a cookie cutter.
Look at that! It is a Mickey Mouse cookie cutter. It's like almost like they knew we're trying to do a
Disney themed kitchen.
Disney themed kitchen. Look at that! It's the mouse.
The head cheese.
The big honcho. And this retails, and it says authentic Disney Parks original, and the price point on this is $4.95. $4.95.
I'm gonna bet those are like $15 at least.
I would think so. Anything,
magic bandits.
Usually anything having to do with magic bands is pretty expensive.
Yeah. All right, so this looks like a pretty big item.
This is gigantic. So, and we're gonna have to unwrap it. Let's see if there's anything else.
You see anything else in the box?
There is. What is this?
Oh my gosh, it's a spatula.
Okay, so we got a new spatula. Well, we already had a new spatula.
It's a stir thing.
It's a batter. Sticker. Oh, we got another. Josie got another sticker. So yeah, it is a stir
thingy.
It's like a stir spoon.
It's a handy helper
with Mickey. Yeah. So
a handy helper.
So the retail on this is $9.99. So we're slowly making our Disney kitchen.
You could also use that to spank me.
I just might after that.
Yes. I'll every now and then I've just got to say something to stop her in her tracks.
Okay, funny. So but it's like they're trying to make our Disney kitchen a reality.
Indeed.
All right, let's see. Is there anything else?
Start.
Oh no, that's it.
All right, well I almost have this item unboxed, and it's pretty big.
Is it a mug? Maybe
unwrapped. Maybe. Almost like it's.
I feel a handle, so I think it's a mug.
It's almost like it's more than a mug.
Good lord!
It's like it's a mug. Oh, look at that.
Is that Pirates of the Caribbean?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh.
Yo ho.
We don't have one for them, and it's my dude. It's my Will dude.
Yep.
Every time I pass by him, I say, "That's my dude."
That's my dude.
That's my dude, and it's kind of an unusual shape. It's kind of like almost like a square shape.
Kind of like
a rounded square.
Kind of like a grog tin cup thing that you would have on the ship.
Yeah, and then you see Pirates of the Caribbean there, and there he is going, "Ah," and yeah. Disney parks and.
Those are usually expensive.
Authentic Disney, Shanghai Disney.
Oh wow!
Resort.
Shanghai Disney.
And so it does not.
65 yen.
Yeah, it actually has. Look, it actually has yen on here. It doesn't have like an American price point, so I don't know.
I'm gonna bet that's gonna be like $12.99 or something.
Probably.
$15.99 maybe.
Yeah, and it doesn't have anything on the bottom. But
I'm gonna say $15.99. That's usually what the mugs are.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Wow. So once again, another great box from Mickey's Mystery Box. So yeah, dang, that was awesome. So to recap, we got 2 Mickey stickers. Those are for Josie. Well, those are for Josie. We got these
Magic Bandits.
Magic Bandits with these people. We have no clue who they are.
I'm guessing
Wreck-It Ralph. And then we got the Mickey cookie cutter. Well, I might have to make some cookies for Josie's birthday.
Sweet.
Just saying. And then we got the batter stirring spoon, whatever. I can call it whatever I want. Wow. And then the Shanghai Disney Pirates of the Caribbean mug.
That's sweet.
That is awesome.
Awesome box.
That is awesome. So once again, never fails to deliver for us. So thank you, Mickey's Mystery Box. Thank you for watching. I'm releasing this on the day that we are here. Let me sit down. On the day that we are filming this, so it's Tuesday. So tomorrow there will be another trip vlog from our May trip come up. Like I said, I think we're going to do sometime this weekend, probably on Saturday. At some point, a live stream of our
live stream party time
of our top 5 Magic Kingdom character meet and greets.
Live stream.
Party time.
Excellent.
Oops. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't.
All right, so I think that wraps things up. If you got any content you would like to see, make sure you can comment that below.
If you like the box, or if you received the box and got something different,
yeah, let us know what you got. So, with that, let's
smash the like button.
Oh yes, please smash that like button. Comment, and if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, and you can hit that notification bell so you'll know exactly when our videos.
Our next stuff.
Well, yeah, when we load. That's right. So, all right, Josie, you want to come and sign off for us?
Come here, young lady.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh, you need something in your hair?
Yeah. Okay, well, come.
Here, I'll give you a little bit of daddy's. There. Now it's in your hair. See right there.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Now,
you don't need any more.
She has a sucker in her mouth, but she's gonna help us do this anyway.
Yeah. Here. Take the sucker out of your mouth. Let's long enough. Say hi, Josie.
Hi, Josie.
All right. So, Josie, how do we like to sign off on our videos with?
Peace. Wow.
That's love, peace, rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
What's this?
It's a handy helper.
Yeah. Look at it. I mean, hello.
Scoop it and kick food. We use it's handy up a spoon.
Yeah, it's a handy
helper spoon. There we go.
That's right.
I want to eat it.
You can't.
You can't eat that.
Eat with it. It's too big to eat with.
Yeah,
it.
what you do is like if you got cake batter
You
or
stir
cookie
it
batter,
up.
you use it and you stir it up.
Ooh,
I want to stir it.
Or chili.
I want to
all right.
Oh,
Are we
careful,
ready?
careful.
Careful. All right, put it down, Josie.
All right, guys.
Cake.
All right, we're gonna
Put
sign
it
off.
down.
Can you say bye? Mwah.
See ya.
Bye, guys. Well, what she said.